I'm doing an updated sewer recording here at 772 North 74th. Date is August 26, 2021. I'm making this recording from the excavated trench out in the sidewalk area of the home, in front of the home. Bob Oates has done some repair work to get to this point. A very deteriorated concrete line has been replaced with PVC. Now we're looking at the pipe down to the main. So right now, we're actually in the main, and I'll come back to the point where we come out of the main here so we can get our footage going. Alright, we're coming up out of the main here. So there is the Seattle City mainline sewer. Zero out our footage at this point. We should be coming back, if my memory serves me, into a shared 6-inch diameter clay line between this home and the neighboring building. Yes. So that is where the line becomes the personal line of 772 right here. That's where the neighboring building connects, about 5 feet off of the main. We're going to zero out the footage again to get a length on this personal sewer line. A large route there. And back into PVC there. We're going to call that about 21 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we get to the shared section between this and the neighboring building. I am going to end the recording there as we're coming up out of the PVC repair at that point. Let's stop her there.